So there's lots of things I'm hearing in the industry about a big change in FSTD regulation. What's happening?
What we're about to witness is one of the most significant changes in the qualification and use of flight simulation training devices in the last 30 years. With the upcoming adoption of updates to flight simulation training device requirements in EASA, and similar changes anticipated in ICAO SARPs in the next couple of years, and indeed here in the UK as well, the way we qualify the use of flight simulation training devices is fundamentally shifting.
Okay, that sounds interesting, but if we look at it from a high level, what are the big changes?
So traditionally, we've worked with defined FSTD types and levels, which are used to determine training capability, the so-called tool-to-task approach. But the new FSTD Capability Signature, or FCS, framework moves us to a task-to-tool approach, putting the training needs ahead of device definition. In simple terms, instead of asking, what can I do with this type and level of simulator, we'll instead be asking, which simulation feature at what fidelity level do I need for any specific training or training to proficiency task?
So what's this all going to mean for all the different parts of the industry, the aviation authorities, the approved training organisations, the FSTD operators?
The shift has real implications right across our industry. For regulators, it introduces new oversight and compliance requirements and responsibilities. For approved training organisations, it will change how training programs are designed and also enable the use of FSTDs other than full flight simulators for accredited type and recurrent training. And for FSTD operators as well, it means achieving initial qualification and maintaining compliance in a new way, including the introduction of the Equipment Specification List, or ESL.
So why does this matter? What does it give us that we don't already do today?
Done properly, the approach gives us something we've wanted for a long time, which is more accurate recognition of the training capabilities of all types of FSTDs, from the simplest devices to the equivalent of today's Level D full flight simulators. But it also means organisations need to prepare in advance if they go down the FCS path, rethinking existing training programs, device usage, documentation, and even how they evaluate their simulators.
So when's this all going to happen? Is there going to be a transition period, or do I need to start worrying about it now? What's the idea?
There's no need for the industry to panic. There will be a transition period, but the organisations that start early will be in a much stronger position. That's exactly why we've developed the FSTD Capability Signature course here at the CAA. It's designed to help you understand the new framework, interpret the requirements, and apply them in a practical, operational context.
So this isn't just a simple regulatory change, it's a different way of thinking about flight simulation training device usage and qualification.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And getting ahead of the game can make all of the difference.